Hello friends, welcome back to the C programming sessions. In this session, I am going to deal with the program to check whether an integer number is palindrome or not. Okay, so in this case, in this program, I am going to uh, ask, I'm going to let the program ask the user to enter a number. Suppose we enter the number as 123, should get the reverse of that, that is nothing but 321. Okay, so after that this program should check whether the resulting number is it equal to the previous number, the number that we have entered. Okay, if both are same, then we consider it to be as palindrome. Now suppose we consider the number 121, the reverse of this is 1, the reverse of this is 121 itself again. So such numbers are considered to be as palindrome. Okay, if after reversing you get the same number as the number that you have entered, that is considered to be as palindrome, else the number is not considered to be as palindrome. As simple as that. Okay, so for this program we need to have certain requirements. Okay, so the requirements are like variables num, which is going to hold the number that you are going to enter. Then there is a variable called rev, which is going to hold the final result at the end. So it is going to be instantiated with the value 0. Then we have some intermediate variables like rem, remainder, and temp. Okay, so let's go about this problem. So let me just write down the variables that we would be using. I'll just erase this off. So we are going to need number, then remainder, then reverse, which is initially instantiated to a value 0. So let me just make that point. Then we have a variable temp. Okay, so let me just draw a line. Okay, as I said, for reverse there is a initial value called value that is 0. Okay, okay, now let us enter a number, fine, whose reverse we need to compute as well as check out whether the number is palindrome or not. Okay, so enter a number. So let me enter the number as 1 2 3 4. Fine, so num is 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 is the num. Fine, next, soon after this we are going to assign this num to a temporary variable temp. Okay, this step is needed because in finding out the reverse of a given number, we actually uh, lose the actual number. Okay, we actually keep on modifying the actual number, and the number no more remains the value contains the number no more remains the number that we had entered, but rather than it gets modified to some value 0. Okay, so that is the reason we need to store this number temporarily in a variable called temp, so that later on we can use it for comparison purpose. As I said, whatever number you are going to enter, we are supposed to find out the reverse of that number, and later on check out whether the number that we had entered and the number that we have computed, that is reverse number, are they both same. If both are same, then we consider the number to be as palindrome. That is the reason we need to temporarily store this number in the variable temp. Okay, so I'll just make that instantiation also 1 2 3 4. So temp holds 1 2 3 4. Next, coming to the program, we have a while loop. Okay, we have a while loop which functions like this. The number whatever we have entered, is it not equal to 0? Yes, 1 2 3 4 is not equal to 0. So enter the loop and perform the first step. remainder equal to num mod 10. So num mod 10 is nothing but 1 2 3 4 mod 10. So mod is going to return the remainder. So in this case the remainder is 4. So we have this variable. Let me just draw a line so that there is a clear cut bifurcation between the steps. So now we have computed remainder, that is nothing but 4. Okay. So remainder equal to num mod 10, which is nothing but 4. Then next step is reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus remainder. Reverse equal to reverse plus 10 in plus remainder. So what is the reverse value? Reverse value is 0 into 10 plus remainder itself. So 0 into 10 is nothing but, this is nothing but 0 into 10 plus the existing value of remainder, that is nothing but 4. Okay, so 0 into 10 is nothing but 0 plus 4 is nothing but 4. So here we are going to get reverse value as 4. Okay, then after this step we have updation to the number. So number equal to number slash 10. So mod 10 is going to give you the remainder, slash 10 is going to give you the quotient. Okay, so here we are going to get the quotient as, if I say 1 2 3 4 slash 10, the quotient is 1 2 3. So number is modified from 1 2 3 4 to 1 2 3. That is the reason we have stored this number in a temporary variable temp. Okay, so now we have the number value as 1 2 3. Okay, now the num value is 123. Let us check out with this loop. Okay, this loop, after these 3 steps, it is going to go back and check whether number has reached 0. In this case, number, that is 123, is it 0? No. So once again come inside and compute the new remainder, new reverse and new num values. Okay, so with respect to that, we have number remainder equal to new number value in mod 10. Okay, so new number value is 123. So mod 10, so this is nothing but 123 mod 10. So this is going to give you the result as 3, remainder. Okay, so in the new number we are going to get remainder as 3. Okay, so similarly we compute reverse equal to reverse into 10, reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus remainder. So existing value of reverse is what? 4. Okay, so reverse equal to reverse into 10, that is nothing but 4 into 10 plus the remainder value. Existing value of remainder is 3. So this is going to give you the result 4 into 10, that is nothing but 40 plus 3. So that is nothing but 43. So we are going to get the reverse value as 43. Okay, after this, num equal to num slash 10. So number is 123, slash 10 is going to give you the result 12. As I said, slash 10 is going to give you the quotient. Okay, so number is now 12. Okay, so this is the end of second iteration. By the end of second iteration, we have the n value as 12, remainder as 3, reverse as 43. Okay, now we'll go back and check whether number has reached 0. Is it 0? Number is not at 0, it is 12. So once again we compute remainder equal to 12 number mod 10 divide number mod 10. So number is 12 mod 10, which is nothing but 2. So remainder is 2. Then reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus remainder. So reverse value what we have 43. So 43 into 10 plus remainder, that is nothing but 2, which is going to give you what 432. Okay, so new reverse value is 432. Then after that we have the step number equal to number slash 10. So number is 12. 12 slash 10 is going to give you the quotient as 1. 12 slash 10, the quotient is 1. So number is 1. So by the end of third iteration, we have num to be as 1, remainder as 2, reverse as 4, 20, 32. Okay. Next, we go back and check whether the number has reached 0. Is number equal to 0? Is number equal to 0? No, not yet. So once again we compute remainder equal to num mod 10. So num is 1. 1 mod 10, we are going to get the value as 1. Okay, 1 mod 10, the remainder is 1. Reverse we need to compute. Reverse equal to existing value of reverse into 10 plus remainder. Existing value of reverse is 432 into 10 plus remainder, that is nothing but 1, which will give you 4321. So reverse value is remainder, we have got 1, reverse is 4321, 4321, and later on num equal to num slash 10. So number is over here 1. 1 slash 10 is going to give you the quotient as 0. Okay, fine friends. So num now it has reached the value 0. Okay, so by the end of the fourth iteration, sorry friends, we have the num value as 0. Now you check out whether num is it 0? Yes, in this case. So in this case the condition fails when number becomes 0. The time we come out of the loop and we print what? The reverse of a number equal to percentage %d, where the reverse is available in the variable rev. As you can observe over here, the variable rev, we have the final result. Okay. Then one more task remained was whether to check the number is palindrome or not. As we know that the initially entered number is stored in the variable temp. Okay, we can now do what is cross verify and compare whether the reverse computed and the initially stored temp value, are they both same. Okay, in our case, is reverse equal to temp, is reverse, that is 4321, is it equal to 1234? No. So in this case we get the result as else part, that is number is not palindrome. Okay, we'll save this program and we'll check out how this program functions. Let us compile this program. GCC palindrome.c out, enter number 1234, we get reverse of a number 4321, number is not palindrome. So we'll enter once again another number 1221, reverse of a number is 1221 and the number is palindrome. Okay, so this is how this program functions. Friends, I hope you have understood this program. Thank you once again for watching this video.